How to fix Microsoft Outlook attachments not opening on Windows. 1. Check if the attachment is corrupt. 2. Uncheck the Turn Off Attachment Preview and ensure all sub-items under Attachment and Document Previewers are enabled in Attachment Handling under Trust Center Settings. Path, Outlook Options Trust Center Settings. 3. Open Microsoft Outlook in its safe mode. To do so, pressing Ctrl and double-clicking the Outlook shortcut. Note, you would need to check then disable some installed add-in, S. Path, File Options Add-ins ManageCom Add-ins. 4. Clear Outlook cache at %localapp.a %/ Outlook / Roam cache. 5. Temporarily disable antivirus program. 6. Update Microsoft Outlook. 7. Use Outlook's data file repair tool at c:\program files, x86, /Microsoft Office /root /Office 16. For starters, read. Repair Outlook data files, .pst and .host. 8. Try some Outlook alternative on the web.